welcome back. Today I am certain they're going to be finishing the roof. Some things, keep in mind, I can't do, so I have to hire people to do things. But the concept and the idea certainly comes from Virginia and I. And just because we can't do everything doesn't mean that we aren't participating in some way. In fact, today I'm going to be doing the plumbing area in the back and doing my best to show you that process. So I am hooking up this piece here and then that piece there, so it goes out so it's in line with where the wall will be, and it'll go up through the wall, and I'm gluing that up today. So I'm digging a hole here, looking for the cold water connection that comes out of that box, and it goes underground over there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to zoom in. Right there. That line. It's cold, it's underground, that's what I'm looking for. Once I find it, I'll break into it with a T and run it over to where the sink is going to be. There's the drain. So I'll run the cold over where the sink is. So I went and got 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch, and that's how I'm going to run the cold water over to there. And I'm going to bury that until we're ready to hook it up. Okay, so I buried the T-point where I hooked up the cold water, buried this whole line over here until I'm ready to use it. They're going to put a post there. It's 2 feet down. So today we're digging a post. It's got to be 2 feet down below the freeze line to make the inspectors nice and happy. I found out as far as the hot water is over there. So I'm going to reroute that. It's just behind that rake. Pull it down to here, and that will be almost perfectly in line with where the hot water of the sink is going to be required to be. That'll happen later. Okay, the Kingspan is going up. It is a vapor barrier, has a little bit of insulation quality, but we are going to insulate with R19 in those 2x6 walls, even with this stuff up.
extiéndete todo.
They're closing this in, and then he's going to put plastic on it, so if it rains it doesn't go into the floor area, which has got the R30 insulation in it, and also the vapor barrier, plastic vapor barrier down, so we don't want to get any of that wet. So that is why we are closing this off now. He'll also close in the peak and then put the plastic on that, and tomorrow he'll come over here and close this last wall and do the same thing with that Kingspan plastic, and then we'll return to it later.